So we just started oven number 2 here, and we're cutting out the floor. And we decided to do it here in the garage floor because it was a little easier and drier than outside. And well, we've got our circle made with our indispensable tool with a 42-inch diameter. And then we've come out with 20 inches for the archway. And we've got some arch bricks cut, as you can see. And then we're trying to generally approximate a round shape here. So we're going to cut these bricks tonight and see where we go for there. We're using the herringbone pattern again, and I find that's good for getting your peel in and out without bringing up on any corners. So we've got fiberboard insulation we're preparing for the under the floor. As you can see, we made some progress on the floor. The diamond blade gave out, so I'm going to have to get another one, so we'll delay that for now. But as you see, I got 2 boxes, 2-inch, and I've staggered it so there's no joining seams. So we've got 4 inches of ceramic fiberboard that we're putting underneath our oven floor. So that's laid out and ready to go. Let's see what the next step is. So here's the floor progress. The floor is all cut out. As you can see, it approximates a round shape, and we've got the bricks cut for the arch, and I think this is going to work out really well. We numbered them because we had to transport them to the stand, so they're all numbered all around the circle. You can number them whatever you want, but it's just good to know where they belong. So just to catch up on where we are now, the insulation's in place. I decided how far back I wanted my oven. I want the floor and this soldier. So this represents the diameter of the floor, of course, with my indispensable tool. And this is the first course is going to be upright soldiers on the outside of the floor. So I got to have enough room there for those, which this is. And then to mark my circle, I first centered my indispensable tool where I needed it, sort of at the right distance from the front. And then I put my pencil sort of on my indispensable tool like that and drew a nice circle and all the way around. And now I've got a good template for placing my floor. I've got a center line and I've got enough room on the back for my first brick. And as you can see, there's plenty of room there to have, you know, the 3 inches of insulation, a cast of mortar, and also a room for a countertop to start to sort of lay on the inside edge of the concrete and then hang it over. So as you can see, we've got the soldiers placed around this oven. And we're starting to mortar them in. We placed them dry first, and we're just filling in the cracks there. Now I just use mortar, and it shrinks a little bit, but I find this Vesuvius refractory mortar pretty good for filling in large cracks. So I did this with my other oven, and had no trouble at all. So as you can see, I filled in all the crack. Some people do cut out pieces and fit in there, but I didn't quite see the need to do that. And my other 42-inch Pompeii is working really well. So really all you do is you put lots of mortar on the back of the brick, like this. And then you put a little bit right here on the front of the brick. Just enough to come in contact with the floor of the oven, and then you place the brick like so, and give it a little push, and then fill in the rest with the trowel. As you can see, they're fitting pretty well, pretty much at the same angle, and they're looking okay. So that's it. We're going to finish this part and move on. So here's the oven a little stage further. We've gone up 4 courses, and it's looking good there. We've got some shims put in there made from bricks and just pieces that were left over. And tonight we've got the arches finished with an angle, and we're tying into the arches, and we've got all of the pieces cut for the inner arch. So as soon as these guys dry, those top pieces, we're going to do the inner arch probably tomorrow. So here's the current state of the oven. We've got the vent in place there, as you can see. That chimney is just laid there. It's a chimney foundation, and the bricks are closing in. I think it's coming along nicely. Need a bit of cleanup inside probably there, but looking very good. I'd say we've probably got 2 more courses to do. The tie into the arch worked pretty well, and with a little bit of mortar, which is very forgiving, we made a good job of that. I don't think we're going to have any smoke leaking. As you can see the white of the little stove gasket that I have there between the vent and the arch, and I've got that in there to make a little heat break so that the hot oven won't make the vent quite as hot. We ran out of mortar there on the vent, on the arch, so I just have enough to keep it in place, and I'll add some more now when I come back. Point that in there and it should work okay. But I think a good job overall. I'm pretty happy with the results. The schedule for this weekend is Friday now, and the schedule is to close in sort of tomorrow or Sunday, finish the chimney base on Sunday, and curing fires next week. So then we'll insulate, of course, and put a parge of cement over it, and a bit of stucco over that. In any case, there's the 42-inch Pompeii, and it's going well. So there's the first little fire, Tom. Your chimney is drawing, which is nice to see. A little bit of smoke coming out your arch, which is fine at this point in time. And you're going to have your oven dried out, which is fantastic. There we go. The fire was a little too aggressive, so I tamed it down with the door, used it as a vent, and that worked well. So I'm going to keep it up and down like that, just so the temperature doesn't get too high. Really don't want to crack our dome, so we're being very careful. Still curing. This sort of blazed up a little bit, but temperature inside is under 300 degrees. You know, no high temperatures. Lots of nice heat for drying out the mortar and drying out the dome. And just going to keep on taking it easy for a while. Doing the curing fires now, so I'm you see I got the door there and there's a lot of smoke. This is just my second or third fire, so I'm only up around 400 degrees. Don't want to go above that, and it's pretty hard to control with wood, so I sort of choke it off and let it burn out a bit, and then I'll revive it and let it pick up, and that seems to be working. I'm maintaining a decent temperature. It's Wednesday, and the objective is to be cooking pizza on Saturday. So another couple of fires to go, probably one early tomorrow morning and then one tomorrow night. And then I think Friday I'll probably keep going for most of the day to get a good dry. And then on the weekend, then I should be able to do some pizza. It's curing nicely. The dome, I had a good inspection after a couple of fires. It wasn't cracked or anything, and it looks good. So we'll keep at it and see how it goes.